Hi guys. So I wanted to create a video to help you guys know how to post to Facebook the content that I give you through the email. So Facebook will not allow me to record a video. So I've had to take some screenshots. So I can't really do that in real time, but I've taken screenshots of each one. And so I'm going to go through that with you how to do that. Okay. So you're going to go to Facebook page. Post on my business Facebook page. Okay, you can post on your personal. That's fine. I choose to do business, so I know I'm on my business page here, Herbal Wellness. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go right here. What's on your mind, and you're going to click right there. Okay, when you click right there, this is going to come up here. From there, you'll click on this little picture icon here. Okay, once you click there, it's going to come up this and it's going to say add photos or videos or drag and drop. Okay, so you can click on the plus, it will open up a folder on your computer. You can choose to do that way. I just find it's easier just to go ahead and open up my folder, and then you can take that image and drop it right on the page. Okay. Once you do that, what's going to happen is it's going to put your image right down here. And then up here in the top part, you can go back to the email that I sent you, and you can hold down your left button, highlight all this, and you're going to want to copy it. So right click, click copy, and then you're going to go back to that Facebook post, and then you're going to click there. You're going to right click up top, and you're going to click paste. And once you click paste, it's going to put all that information in for you there. Okay. There's some hashtags down at the bottom that I'm going to give you. Feel free to change those up if you want to. Let's just say if this is a post about allergies, I would want to have something about hashtag anything that people would go to Google and search for. They're having allergy issues that right now this season is pretty bad. So you could do allergy relief, natural allergy relief, anything that has to do with allergies you think somebody might go on Google and do a search for, because your post could come up in their search. Okay. Feel free to change those up. You guys feel free to change up any of the content that I have up here for you to make it sound more personable, the way that you speak, the way you speak to your customers, however you want to do that. Okay, feel free to leave it just like it is. That's fine as well. Feel free to take out and change out the picture down below. I will say if you're going to be posting this also later, so you're not just posting one time, Facebook has an algorithm. And so if you leave the content the same and the picture the same, they won't run it through Facebook. They won't show it to as many people, okay, because they're seeing it as the same content. So if you want to reuse it, just change it up a little bit, maybe change some hashtags, maybe change the picture out if you want. This is a picture from Nature Sunshine, and they will allow you to, I'm just going to pull this up so you can see the whole picture here. They will allow you to take their pictures from their website, and you can download those and upload those to YouTube or any social media. Okay, so just know that they allow for that. Okay, so I hope this helps you guys know how to post to your Facebook, and I will. If you have any problems with this though, just let me know. Okay, contact me and I'll be happy to help you. Hey, you guys. So I thought of one more thing since I did that video. So I always try to be Nature Sunshine compliant with the content that I send you, which means that I try to be legal when I talk about their products and what I can say. Okay. So I always try to do that. And just so you know, the content I send you should be just fine, but go over it yourself and just be sure that it's compliant. Okay. You are posting to your personal social media pages. So just be aware of that and just make sure that everything sounds correct for your page. Okay.